Hey classy people, welcome back to the channel. It's Crystal here of Crystal's Classy Life, and today I have a Walmart Ibotta haul for you. Super excited because I have some new rebates I have not did before. I accomplished my weekend warrior bonus. I got a Ibotta versary rebate where I had to purchase 3 rebates to get $1. That's for my anniversary of when I joined the Ibotta app. And my weekend warrior was actually 10 rebates for $5. So super excited about that. And then, you know, that larger bonus that we're working on. Yeah, I don't know how I'm accomplish that. But anyway, let's jump into these rebates, okay? The first item I decided to get was the Hungry Jack pancake mix. I did get the complete buttermilk. This was priced $2.77 in my Walmart. There's a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $2.52. I think we're kind of low on pancake mix, so I thought this was a good opportunity to go ahead and get that. The next one I decided to get was my Betty Crocker. Now, this particular rebate, you must purchase the 2. Now, last week, I got chocolate chip cookies and I got brownies. This week, I decided to get lemon cake and frosting. That way, I can make Richard a lemon cake so he can take it in his lunch. So the cake was priced $1.68 and the frosting was priced $1.96 in my Walmart for a total cost of $3.64. The rebate is for $1 back, making the final cost $2.64 for the 2. I think that's pretty good. You know, we always like some sweets up in here. The next rebate I decided to get was for the taco seasoning, okay? Originally, I got the taco seasoning for tacos. Then I was on another aisle and they had the original fajita seasoning mix, and that did work with this rebate, so that was cool. So this was priced 76 cents. You're getting 10 cents back, making the final cost 66 cents. Next rebate I decided to get was the Palmolive. Now, this was the Palmolive that was the ultra strength, and it was actually, I believe, on a rollback at my Walmart for $2.25. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.25. Now, for the antibacterial and the other scent, I think the ultra, the blue one, it was actually more. So that's the reason why I decided to get the cheaper one. And this is the 20 ounce, I believe. Yes. Next rebate I was super excited about is the Febreze Small Spaces. I love when this Febreze rebate comes up. $3.24 in my Walmart, $2.30 rebate, making the final cost 94 cents. Great deal. The next rebate I got food. You know I love to get food with Ibotta. This is the North Sides. All right, so I got chicken flavor, urban butter, mushroom, and chicken fried rice, okay? These were $1.28 each in my Walmart. You must purchase 4 for this rebate for a cost of $5.12 in the store. You're gonna get $2 back, making the final cost $3.12. So $2 Ibotta rebate for that. That is so good. The next rebate I decided to get was my Carbona Stain Devils. I must purchase this. I'm a reseller. From time to time, I may purchase something that has ink on it, and I know I can get it out with this product. And they also come in other ones like perspiration and different particular stains that you need to get out. But these things are great. I recommend that you try these. The Stain Devils are priced $2.62 in my Walmart. There was a 50-cent rebate, making the final cost be $2.12 in my Walmart after the Ibotta rebate. Yes, the next item I decided to get was the all free and clear laundry detergent pods. These are priced $4.97 in my Walmart. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.97. If you're going to purchase laundry detergent anyway, sis, you might as well get $2 back from Ibotta. Next, this was a new one. Never got this before. This is the House Autry Chicken Fry Original Crunchy Recipe. I can't wait to try this. Okay, now this was actually priced $2.37 in my Walmart. There is a 75 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.62. Yes. Next item I decided to get was my tie pin again. That's right. I'm going to get my tie pin every time. So this was actually priced $2.97 in my Walmart. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.97 after the Ibotta rebate. Great, great deal. How much was the total price of all my items? And I got 14 items, so let's get it. Total in-store was $30.71. What did I get back? I got $10.90 in Ibotta actual rebates. Then I accomplished my $5 weekend warrior bonus, had to complete 10 rebates in order to get the $5. And they also gave me my $1 Ibotta versary rebate bonus for a final cost after all of that was $13.81 after that. So 14 items, that made it be about 98 cents per item. I don't think that's bad at all, especially considering I got food and other things that I'm going to use anyway, guys. I hope you are taking advantage of Ibotta. If you are not, make sure that you look and get my referral code at the bottom. If you decide to use my referral code and you go and use Ibotta in the store, they'll give me $5, they'll give you $5, and then we'll be winning, sis. We'll have $5 to shop with. Go couponing with, okay? So let me know if you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the Classy Crew. Hit the subscribe button and make sure that you hit the bell for notifications so you know when I come on here. I want to talk to y'all about something else. Have a great weekend. Love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.